What are you doing? Are you sitting up like a big guy? Are you sitting up like a big guy? Look at you. Yeah? It's your big brother playing.
Now, go!
Yeah, you've got your toes.
No, a Max Raptor!
You've got your toes.
Now, go, Vader!
What you doing?
Now,
Oh,
back
are
it
you
up.
gonna come get me? Oh, are you gonna fall over?
Back it up.
Yeah. You coming to visit me, Brycer? Your brother's sitting up like a big boy.
Say who's there?
Who's there?
It's only a fire truck. It's there. It's only a fire truck.
I think your brother's making the siren noise. What do you think?
I'm making a siren noise.
Yeah, I think he wants to be the fire truck.
I want to be a fire truck. I can be Derek, I think.
What do you think, Graham?
This car.
Want a rat? Whoa! Did you fall over? Can you see you on your belly?
Now, go later. Oh, look.
You show me your belly?
There's a Max Raptor. Now,
You gonna get that rattle?
no. Oh, no. A Max Raptor.
Is your arm stuck?
Go.
Is your arm stuck?
Do you want to be a rattle? You want to play with a rattle? You need to play with a rattle. I hate fire.
Where did you put that? Where did you put that rattle, Graham? You are very noisy. Yes, you are. You're very noisy. Are you going to get the camera? I can see a booger up your nose. Yes, I can. I can see a booger. Yes, I can.